Google is all set to announce the Pixel 8 series on October 4. The phones have leaked extensively, and now we're hearing more about them thanks to a new report that claims to reveal the prices and color options for the two upcoming Google flagships. According to the Tech Outlook, the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will see a significant price hike, at least in Europe. The publication, along with tipster Paris Guglani, reports that the Pixel 8 with 128GB storage will cost €874.25. The price includes 23% value-added tax (VAT). Without taxes, it would come in at €710.77. The 256GB storage variant of the phone is expected to be priced at €949.30 with 23% VAT. In contrast, the base Pixel 7 variant was priced at €650 last year. Meanwhile, the Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to come in at a price of €1,235 for 128GB storage, €1,309 for the 256GB version, and €1,461 for the 512GB model. All these prices include 23% VAT. That's quite a price hike compared to the €900 starting price of the Pixel 7 Pro. We previously heard that the Pixel 8 series could be $50, $100 more expensive this year, and if the leaked European prices are accurate, it looks like we're getting the higher side of that rumored price hike. That said, we can't vouch for the accuracy of the leak, and it's possible these Pixel 8 series prices aren't the real deal. The latest information about the new Pixels also includes the possible colorways we're about to see. As per the publication, the standard Pixel 8 will be available in hazel, obsidian, rose, and mint colors. The Pixel 8 Pro is expected to come in bay, obsidian, porcelain, and mint colors. The next Made by Google event is happening on October 4th at 10 a.m., giving us just over a month until we see the Pixel 8 series in person for the very first time. Other specs indicates the Pixel 8 Pro will feature a 6.7-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The device will be powered by the Google Tensor G3 SoC and will have a Titan security chip in Tau. There could be two configurations, both with 12GB of RAM. While the base model is set to ship with just 128GB of storage, the more premium option will likely offer 256GB. Imaging options on the Pixel 8 Pro are said to include a 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS, a 64-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel telephoto shooter. On the front, the device is expected to have an 11-megapixel image sensor for selfies and video chats. The device is said to sport a 4,950 mAh battery with 27-watt wired charging support and run Android 14 out of the box. The tweet also seems to confirm earlier rumors that the phone will feature a temperature sensor. It is also said to come with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Overall, despite having upgrades to camera app, I really don't think there would any bigger major upgrade are coming in for Google Pixel 8 Pro. Anyhow, guys, that is it in this particular video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.